Bryj, ChatROI AI is a powerful new software just released, and if you're looking to improve your digital marketing, you'll want to know the 7 crucial things about it. Stick around because I'm about to reveal how this tool could change the game for your marketing campaigns, so you don't want to miss the last point. Let's dive in. First, ChatROI is an AI-powered marketing tool designed to supercharge your lead generation and marketing ROI. What makes it stand out is how it combines machine learning with deep analytics to help you optimize your campaigns. For anyone serious about growing their business or improving their ad performance, this is a game changer. One of its most significant features is its ability to automatically optimize ads in real time. It uses AI to analyze your ads and target audience, tweaking and adjusting parameters to improve performance without you having to lift a finger. If you've ever struggled with manual ad management, this feature alone could save you tons of time and energy. Now, another major advantage of ChatROI AI is its user-friendly interface. If you're new to AI software, don't worry. It's designed for marketers of all skill levels. You won't get lost in complicated features or overwhelming dashboards. Instead, it gives you clear, actionable insights that help you make informed decisions quickly, which is critical in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. Additionally, Bryj, ChatROI AI, offers deep analytics that goes beyond the basics. It doesn't just track clicks or impressions. It digs into how each ad is performing based on specific customer behaviors like engagement levels and conversion rates. This allows you to not only see what's working, but to understand exactly why it's working, so you can replicate success across your campaigns. Another thing that's worth noting is its budget optimization. The software can automatically allocate your ad budget to the best performing channels, saving you money while maximizing ROI. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large-scale campaign, this feature ensures you get the most bang for your buck. As a digital marketer, one thing you always want to avoid is wasting time and resources on ads that don't perform. With Bryj, ChatROI AI, you get predictive analytics, meaning it can forecast trends and suggest future strategies based on current data. This proactive approach helps you stay ahead of your competition and adapt to changes in your audience's behavior. Speaking of audiences, ChatROI AI also helps you better segment and target the right people. Using AI, it identifies key demographics that are more likely to engage with your product and guides you in customizing your ads to appeal directly to them. Whether you're trying to reach a new audience or deepen your relationship with an existing one, this tool takes the guesswork out of the process. Lastly, if you're wondering if Bryj, ChatROI AI is the right choice for you, here's the best part. You can try it completely free. Head to the link in the description below and get started right away with no commitment. This free trial is a great way to explore the software's features without any pressure. If you've tried other AI marketing tools before, you know how overwhelming it can be to find one that really delivers. After testing thousands of software options, I can confidently say that Bryj, ChatROI AI is one of the best AI tools I've come across. And if you're looking for even more tools to take your marketing to the next level, check out my recommended AI software in the description. They're all tools I trust after years of testing. Make sure you don't miss out on the incredible potential Bryj, ChatROI AI has to offer. Check out the free trial and see for yourself how it can transform your marketing campaigns.